RightBlogger now has a dedicated chat tool inside of our platform. So if you use something like ChatGPT or Google's Gemini to interact with AI, you can now throw those subscriptions away and do everything and more inside of RightBlogger chat. Let me show you how this works. Over here in the chat, what you're gonna see when you pull it open in the tool menu is that there's gonna be some really cool, nifty suggestions. And these suggestions are based on the actual content creations that you've made inside of RightBlogger. So the longer you use RightBlogger and create content, the more you're gonna see these suggestions curated towards your specific niche and the topics you like talking about. So let's do an example here. I wanna say explore AI for blogging. And what you'll see when I click on this is that we get this prompt right here in the chat. Now, this is my opportunity to edit this prompt a little bit. And let's say if I wanted to compile something like a online course outline instead of a guide, I'd just go ahead and make a quick change to it and then send this off to the chat. What you'll see is that the chat gets to work, and as it's getting to work, it's using all of these different data sources, including my knowledge library of everything that I've uploaded to RightBlogger. It's using Google search results, it's browsing URLs if you want to input a URL into chat, and it's going to generate images if you ask it to create images. So let's take a quick look at how this course outline turned out. We've got sections on introduction to AI and blogging, using AI writing tools, utilizing chatbots, integrating tools into your blogging strategy, future trends, and then even ends with a final project. This is a really good starting place for an outline on an online course when it comes to AI and blogging. I love how this turned out. Let's say I wanted to follow up with this chat and say something like, generate an image of a blogger using AI. And we'll just go ahead and send that off to the chat and see what we get. And there we go. This is a good example for a stock image that I might want to use in some of the content leading to the marketing of an eventual course I'm going to make on AI and blogging. Another great use case for RightBlogger chat is using the chat to actually figure out which tool inside of RightBlogger can be best used to accomplish a particular goal you have in mind. So let's say you want to get some long tail keyword ideas to pursue and generate some more traffic from less competitive terms. I'm going to go ahead and ask which RightBlogger tool should I use to get long tail keyword ideas. And there we go. We get a quick answer that you should use our keyword research tool. It's going to help you identify relevant keywords for your content strategy. Another use case I really like RightBlogger chat for is summarizing URLs and getting key takeaways from something that maybe I just don't have the time to read right now. So I grabbed the link to a recent blog post that we published on the RightBlogger blog, and I'm going to ask chat to summarize this blog post and highlight key takeaways. Dang, this turned out awesome. What you're gonna see is that it starts with a summary about what this blog post was all about, and then it dives into the key takeaways in a nice bulleted format that gives you a really easy opportunity to scan and get the information you need. This chat tool is really robust, and we're working on adding more features to it, including the ability to upload images and for the AI to understand what's going on in that image and for you to be able to interact with that kind of content too. If you have ideas for other features you'd love to see in chat, please let us know at contact@rightblogger.com.